Hello, I am Dana, Kubrick's Head of Diversity, Equity and Inclusion, and I'm here today at the launch of LGBTQubrick. Now, we've been having events for the LGBT community and doing outreach for some time now. We are here today at Pride in London. It's our first time on the march. We're so excited to celebrate all our LGBTQ plus colleagues here at Kubrick and across the whole world. Happy Pride! We have made it official today by actually launching our staff network group. It is an exciting day. I am thrilled about the community that we've established, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what we do next. Happy Pride!